We are unboxing our OnePlus 6 new mobile. It's midnight black. Price is 40,000. These are the contents. OnePlus 6 midnight black, 8 GB RAM, 128 GB memory. Shot on OnePlus 6. Now we are opening it. This is our phone. This is cover. Now we will put it aside. This is the case. This is our transparent color cover. Now we have sticker. OnePlus, shot on OnePlus, never settle. These are 3 stickers. A SIM ejector and 2 user manuals. Safety information. Now we have one enormous big dash charger and cable. This is very well packed. This is dash charger. Now this is our phone. These are all the other items. I like this sticker. The phone is very thin and slippery. It's very smooth. Logo is nice. Fingerprint sensor. Dual camera with flash. Front camera. This is speaker. And then we have start button, where it is here. This is the start button and this is other button. this is start button, and this is something different, and here's the volume button. Now we are opening it.